Good morning, everyone. I'm so excited to be here this morning, and what I'd like to do is go over yesterday's questions. Number one states, unlike the religion of the Mesopotamians and the Egyptians, Judaism is the worship of one God. This means it is a monotheistic religion. Number two, the Torah is the most holy Jewish text. Number three, Jewish people assemble and worship in synagogues. Number four, the Jewish word for God is Yahweh. Number five, a rabbi is not a priest and has no special connection with God, but is a spiritual leader for the Jewish people. Number six, foods that follow Jewish laws are called kosher foods. Number seven, special ceremonies for Jewish girls and boys are called bat mitzvah for the girls and bar mitzvah for the boys. Number eight, two symbols of Jewish faith mentioned in the video are the Star of David and the menorah. Number nine, name two Jewish holidays mentioned in the video. They actually mentioned four, so I decided to give you all four of them. They mentioned Hanukkah, Passover, Yom Kippur, the Rosh Hashanah. Number 10, Jesus was born into the Jewish religion. Did everyone believe he was the Messiah? Why or why not? The answer is no. Some thought of him as a rebel preacher since he thought certain things about Judaism was wrong. Well, I hope I was able to help you complete